You are spending hours every single day, switching between Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, copy pasting captions, replying to DMs one by one, checking analytics on 5 different apps. And at the end of the day, you are exhausted. But your social media still feels like a mess. What if I told you there is one tool that schedules your posts, manages all your messages, tracks your brand mentions, gives you beautiful analytics reports, and even stores your team password securely, all inside one single dashboard? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of that with Radaar. And by the end of this video, you will know whether this is the tool that finally fixes your social media chaos. So, what is Radaar? This is not just another scheduling tool. In fact, that's literally their own tagline, and they mean it. Radaar is a best-in-class social media management platform built for brand, agencies, startups, and small businesses. It won the Product Hunt Golden Kitty Award in 2022. It's rated as a high performer on G2, and it's trusted by thousands of marketers globally. What makes it different? While tools like HotSuite or Buffer focuses mainly on scheduling, Radaar gives you 6 modules under one roof. A scheduler for content publishing, a social inbox to manage all your messages, social monitoring to track keywords and competitions, analytics with beautiful PDF reports, a task manager with Kanban boards, and get this, even password manager for your team. I'm going to walk you through every single one of these step by step. Let's go. Real quick, before we dive in, the link to Radaar's website and the limited time special offer is in the comment section and in the description of this video. Even you can go check it out for free while you watch. They have a free trial, so you can literally follow along with me as I walk through this. Now let's get into it. So this is the landing page of Radaar or homepage. You can go through it to get all of the available informations of Radaar. Here is the list of features you can see. So this is the page displaying all of the features available in Radaar. And this is the integrations. You can use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Thread, Blue Sky, Mastodon, LinkedIn page, LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel, Pinterest, Vimeo, Google, WordPress, Medium, Tumblr, Telegram, Google, Webhook. Just check all of them and see what works for you. And now let's see what is the pricing of it. Clicking here in the pricing section and you will see, so there are basically 3 plans. One is standard for 6 social media, and the next one is for 12 social media. Its name is professional, and for advanced you will get 24 social media. For monthly plan, it will cost around $10 per month for the standard, and for professional plan, it will cost almost $30 per month. For advanced plan, it will cost $150 per month. If you go with yearly plan, it will slightly decrease the price model. So you can check all of them. Here is a 14 days trial plan. You can just go and check it out if this tool is suitable for you or not. So now, once you have activated your plan or created an account, you just need to click the sign up button. Once clicking the sign up button, you will land to the dashboard. So after login, you will land to this page. This is the dashboard of Radaar, where you can manage all of your settings and every features of Radaar. So let's first set up the profile. Click here and click the My Account section, and here is the account name of your subscription, and here is the account email, and here you can select your profile color, and here you can select your profile logo or brand logo, and finally save it. And the next one is preference. You can set up your language, your time zone, your date format, your time format, and everything from here. And you can customize your notifications as well from here. And this is the security options, where you can set up your password, 2-factor authentications, and everything. And next you will get this option. Just click here and you will set the light mode or dark mode. So this is the light mode and this is the dark mode. I prefer dark mode. Click here in the Radaar logo to land in the dashboard section. Here you can monitor everything from here, every available features and what is going on your social media. You will find here at a glance like a summary. Here is all of the conversations continuing on your social medias. Here is the monitoring and here is the upcoming post sections. So this is actually at a glance of your all social media's activities, all about dashboard. So let's see how to connect social medias on Radaar. So first you need to click in the settings section. So I'm clicking here. You will get a couple of options available for you. You need to click in the channel section. So I'm clicking here in the channel section, and now here you will see all of your connected social medias. If you want to connect any social media, just you need to click on connect button. So I'm clicking here and here you will see all of your available options to connect on your Radaar. Let's say I want to connect one of my Facebook page here. I can click here in the connect section and it will bring me on Facebook, and click here in the continue section. And now you will have the available social medias that you can connect with Radaar. Let's say I want to connect this social media. So I can click here and it will be connected to Radaar. So the connection has been successfully done. So this way you can connect your social media in Radaar. And there is another important option you need to use. Just click here in the brand section. What does the brand mean? Brand means you can group a couple of social media profiles into one group, so that once you select that group, post anything, it will be posted only for the selected social media accounts you have selected as a brand. How you can create a brand? Click here and let's say give a name of your brand, and here you can add your teammates as well. Here you need to select profiles. You want to group them to a brand. Let's say I want to add these 3 profiles as a new brand of Saif. So now select any of the color you can use, and now just click here in the create button, and now new brands is created. So this is the new brand. These 3 social media I can use under this brand, and there are other options available as well. So you can add your teammates. So just click here in the team member sections, and now just click invite section, and here you can add your email of the teammates and give the role of your team member, and just click invite section, and invitation email will be sent to your team member's email account. Once accepted, he will be a team member of your this account, so that he also can manage your social media using Radaar. And the next option is integration. You can add any app using API. So let's see how it works. Click here in the connect section. You will have the option to add your OpenAI or some other available integration as well. And the next option is custom domain. You can add your domain here as a custom domain. You can label all of your contents using your own labeling system. How you can create a label? Just click here in the new section and give a name of your label, and you can choose any of the color of your label and just click create section, and it will create a new label for your content. So once you upload any content, you can keep them any of your existing label. Now let's see how to manage social media posts using Radaar. First, create in the publishing button, and now you will see this option. Just click here and you will have a couple of options. First one is for new post, and the second one is for recurring post. That means you want to post this post again and again, and you can upload bulk post. You can use triggers. That means you can use automation, or you can use AI content generation, or you can export your content from the Radaar. Let's say I want to create a normal post now on my social media. I can click here in the new post button. Here is the option. You can choose what types of post you want to create using Radaar. This one is for single image, this one is for video, and this one is for carousel, and the next one is for link, next one is for text, and the next one is for story, and the next one is for reels. Let's say I want to create a post of image. So I want to select single image and now upload my image. I'm uploading my image from here, selecting my image. So it is uploading and upload has been done. And now here is the option to post your caption. Let's say I want to add post caption as this content. I can organize it, and now I need to select either one by one social media in which social media I want to create this post, or I can select any of the brand which I already created in Radaar. So let's say I want to use a brand. Click here and there are all of the available brands for me. Let's say I want to use this brand. So in this brand, I have 5 social medias. The first one is Instagram. The next one is Facebook page, next one is TikTok, and the next one is Thread, and the next one is LinkedIn page. So channel has been selected, and the image content also has been selected, uploaded, and the caption is also created. And now let's see, I want to post it now. Just click here to post this content now, or you can schedule the post from here. Just click here, and here you will have the option to select your date and time. Let's say I want to schedule this post on 26 May 10 and 10 a.m. So you can just select here and click the apply button and click the schedule button to schedule the post. Or if I want to post this now, I just can click here, set to current time. So it will select the current time, and I can now click here to post this on my social medias. Once I click here, it is processing to post my social medias. So the post has been published to my Facebook and it is waiting to publish other social medias as well. And it has been published to my LinkedIn. If I want to check my Facebook page, so see this post I have created using Radaar. So it has been posted on my Instagram. TikTok is also done, and the thread is also done. It has been published all of my social media accounts using Radaar. So you can check the preview here. You can see the content score from here. So this is the content score in Radaar's own system. You can discuss anything about this post with your teammates or team members using Radaar. Now let's see, I want to create a text post using it. Just get here and now click the new post button, and here select the text option, and now give the caption here and select this time. Let's say I want to select particular social medias. Let's say I want to post it on here, here, these three social medias. And now let's say I want to schedule this post. How I can schedule it? So here is my post and my social media has been selected, and now click here. I want to post this on 25 May and the hour should be 20. So I can click here to apply it and click here to schedule the post. So it is processing for a schedule, and it will be previewed on your content calendar. So this is my content calendar. You will see all of your posted and upcoming posts in this content calendar. You can customize it in monthly view, weekly view, or list view. There are different types of customization option as well. You can click here in the compact view to see this as a compact view. You can select detailed view. So this is the detailed view, and the next one is preview view. So this is actually the preview view. I want to choose it monthly view, and I want to keep this as like this, or I can set up it as compact view. So this is the compact view of content calendar. There are other options as well. You can click here in the content pool. What does the content pool means? Just content pool is a place from where you can upload and manage your social media posts in a place. If you want to make any automation, you can click here in the utilities section. So there are a couple of options. The first one is AI post generation. You can use your API to connect with other AI tools. You can create and manage your hashtags from here. You can use RSS feed. You can use caption templates, and you can use workflow to automate your social medias using Radaar. So now let's discuss about social inbox. So I'm clicking here in the social inbox sections, and here you will find all of your social media conversations or interaction with your audience. So you can see here all of my recent conversations with my audience here. You can manage, you can reply, or you can do anything using Radaar. Let's say I want to filter all of my messages from here. Just click here, and here is all of your inbox message you can find here in the Radaar. And let's say I want to see all of my post conversations. I can click here, and here I can see all of my post comments. I can reply any comment. Let's say I want to reply this comment. I can click here, and here is the comment I can see. And if I want to see my post, I can click here to see my post. So actually, this is my post, and this is the comment from my post. I can reply on this comment from here. I don't need to go to my social media anymore. I can filter my social media. I can filter my source. I can set the priority level from here for my conversations. Here is the option of unified social media inbox. I can manage all of my comments, inbox, all of my messages from here. This is a very unique feature of Radaar. I can see all of my contacts from here. Let's say I can click here, and here is my all of the contacts available. I can interact with them using Radaar. So the next one is monitoring. I can monitor or track my brand mentions from here. I can click here. Let's say I want to monitor my brand name. I can click here and first connect my social media from where I want to track my mention. Now let's talk about analytics section. So click here in the analytics section, and here I can see all of my social media's analytics engagement and report from here. So I can click here. I can select any of the social media to get my report. So here you can see the audience. Here you can see the post. Here you can see the views. Here you can see the overall reach, engagement, reels, stories, and everything. So this is a very useful feature if you are a social media manager. Now let's see what the password manager is. I'm clicking here, and this is my password manager. First, I can create a master password to unlock this password manager. I can keep all other password safely in Radaar. Now the next option is task manager, where I can click here. I can create all of my task list here so that I can manage all of my plans and execute it from my task manager. And the next one is billing section, where I can see my billing informations available here. So the next one is switch subscription. I can use multiple subscription using one single Radaar account. If I want to get another subscription, I can click here and get a new subscription clicking here. So here is the subscription name and here is the plan. I can activate another plan in Radaar. And that's your complete walkthrough of Radaar. From first login to every major features, the scheduler, social inbox, monitoring, analytics, task manager, password vault, and the free tools most people never discover. If you are managing more than one social media account, whether it's for your own brand or for clients, Radaar is genuinely one of the most complete and most affordable tools I've ever seen at this price point. So here is what you want to do right now. Step 1. Go to the link in the comment and the description to check the website with any special offer now. If this video helped you, do me a favor. Hit the like button, drop a comment below telling me which feature excited you the most. And subscribe if you want more tutorials like this every week.